Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Samsung specializes in the production of a wide variety of consumer and industry electronics, including appliances, digital media devices, semiconductors, memory chips, and integrated systems. It has become one of the most recognizable names in technology and produces about a fifth of South Korea's total exports. There's plenty more going on in Samsung's mobile quality test lab, where phones are subjected to every test you can think of. Do these interesting facts have you rethinking everything? People stash their phones in their back pockets all the time, which is why Samsung created a robot that is shaped like a butt and yes, even wears jeans to sit on their phones to make sure they can take the pressure. And next on our list, there aren't many professions where you can get paid for playing video games. Despite the stereotype, that's not even the case for games journalists, but the team responsible for Samsung's thermal lab testing actually is tasked with playing games on various devices for extended periods of time, though general usage is tested, too. During these intense gameplay sessions, the heat levels of those test phones and tablets are studied closely. Using advanced thermal cameras, with the images taken shown in a Predator-style heat vision on nearby monitors. Testers are then able to view the images and pinpoint specific areas on a device, such as the battery or processor, which may or may not show some level of heat inconsistency. Real-time video game testing of an unspecified Samsung handset while it was being charged simultaneously. In this case, the phone's heat signature remained consistent across the entire device, with no specific area showing any signs of excess heat. Next on our list is the most perversely satisfying lab testing environment, the drop test lab. Yes, it's exactly what it sounds like, and for some reason, we really got a sick thrill out of seeing expensive handsets take some serious punishment, so long as they're not our personal handsets, of course. Using a number of different mechanical devices that look like the world's most brutal skill testers, including auto-drop testers, tumble testers, and continuous free-fall testers, Samsung's handsets are repeatedly dropped from varying heights and angles onto a variety of hard surfaces, such as metal and marble. If you have any questions on your mind, just leave it on the comment section. I'll cover it on the next video. Thank you for watching. Hit the like if you like.